Good afternoon. My name is Latanya Lewis, and currently I am in the process of going for my master's in public health. So this term I took two classes, and one of the classes that I took was called Health Program Planning, Implementation, and Assessment. So we learned about a variety of different, models and assessments, evaluations, implementation plans. However, we've gotten to the end in Unit 8, and one of the things that we had to do was we had to stop, take a moment, and look at the Program Sustainability Assessment Tool, which is also called the PSAT. So I might refer to it as a PSAT as we're going through this. So for this, I look at this tool, and what I look at it and I think of is that this tool, the PSAT, is there to determine whether or not the program that we've implemented is going to be productive and sustained over time. So often individuals can create programs, and those programs only last for a limited amount of time. What we want to do is make sure ours last for a long length of time, because over time we want it to continue to grow. We don't want to do it for just a season. So what I actually chose for this was the homelessness in Hawaii. I just moved from Hawaii. We were there for 2.5 years, and homelessness is really, really bad over there. So that's what I'm going to use really quick for my health program, that we're going to actually look at the PSAT, and we're going to take the factors of the PSAT and put it towards what we would do with the homelessness in Hawaii. So the first thing is the environmental support. The support when it comes to the environment, whether it's internal or external, would definitely be there. The individuals that's homeless on the street, all of them do not want to be there. Many of them are there because things have happened and they would love to have a home. Members of the community of Honolulu and Hawaii, they would love to see the streets cleaned up. So when it comes to the environmental support, the support would be there with no problems at all. Funding, we would reach out to get sponsors. There's so many companies that's in Hawaii that started many, many years ago. HMSA, the largest health medical insurance service association, which is an insurance over in Hawaii, the largest one, been around the longest. We would reach out to other local businesses that's been there for a while. On top of that, we'll reach out to our military bases. Definitely reach out to our political parties, because this is something that they would like to see change also. Partnership, I promise you, will not be a problem. Cleaning up Hawaii for those that live there would be great. When individuals live there, everyone said, "Oh, you live in paradise." When you come to Hawaii as a tourist, you don't see what members of the community see. You don't see what the residents see, and they see the homelessness. So partnership would be key. Then we have our program evaluation. To start off, we would start off with a formative evaluation. Formative evaluation is nothing more than taking a small sample population and seeing how it works. So we would start in one of our small communities and see if we can utilize our interventions and see if they're productive there. Once they are, then we will move into other evaluations. For our program adaptability, we have to have the ability to adapt. If we don't adapt, we will not succeed. So things are going to change, things are going to happen, and we have to be willing and open to adapt. We have to be feasible. Communication, what we're going to do on our coalition team, we're going to hire a group to actually be our communication team members. They will handle all meetings, all presentations. If the newscasts want to meet with someone, they will handle everything when it comes to dealing with our communication. Last but not least will be our strategic planning. Right now, the governor, something that the governor is looking at is clearing up homelessness in Hawaii. So I know that we have a strategic planning there. We would lean in and find out what their policies and procedures are that they have. We would then start to create our own, but we're going to partner with them to help clean up Hawaii one home at a time. Thank you so much.